Hi everyone, welcome back to Cat's Art. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this adorable strawberry using Procreate and my favorite watercolor effect brushes. First, let's create a new canvas. I am using a square format that is 300 dpi. This size gives us a nice balance between detail and performance. Let's start with a rough sketch. I am using Cat's Art sketching pencil from my Cat's Art favorites brush setback. I've already created a color palette for this artwork, so if you're interested, you can just message me and or leave a comment on the comment section so I can send you the color palette if you like. So here I've already created the basic shape for the strawberry and now adding the leafy crown at the top. This is just a base sketch, so it doesn't have to be perfect. We'll refine everything as we go. Once our sketch is done, we can create a new layer, and then this is where we'll add our base color shape. I am using Cut's Art Liner Brush for this layer, and then I also choose a light pink shade to shape out or outline the basic shape of this strawberry. And now let's paint the green leaves on a new layer above the red. I'm still using Cat's Art Liner Brush for this. I will also be using different soft green shades for each leaf. Now, let's bring the strawberry to life. Select the strawberry shape and choose Alpha Lock. I will use Cat's Art Watery Smudge brush to add some texture. And then I'll use a slightly darker red-orange shade from our palette. Let's just continue this process to build up the texture. Here, I just chose a darker red shade, but still using the watery smudge brush to achieve that watercolor effect. Let us just repeat the process for these leaves. And this time we're gonna use a medium paint round brush to achieve that watercolor effect. Now for the seeds, let's still use the watery smudge brush, but in a smaller brush size. Place tiny ovals across the strawberry, angling them slightly. let's add a tiny bit of yellow to each one. And for a final touch, let's create a soft shadow under each seed using a low opacity brush. Let's add some more character to the leaves by adding leaf veins. Let's use darker shades of greens. And that's it! Your watercolor strawberry in Procreate is done. I hope you found this tutorial relaxing and helpful. If you want more tutorials like this, or if you want to download my watercolor brush set, please check the description below. Don't forget to like, comment with what you'd like to draw next, and subscribe for more cozy art content. Until next time, keep creating and take care. Bye!